So after all morning walking in the temples, I went back to the family, checked out. We took a taxi and we're going to the south bus station because we're going to Kanchanaburi. The bus is about 100 or 120 bahts until there. If you book it in Khao San Road, it's about 250, 300. If you're alone, maybe you can book it more easily in Khao San, but if you have a whole family, it's more easy. It's a lot cheaper going to the bus station. Just arrived to the bus station. Let's go check out those prices. The truth is that this bus station looks more like a shopping center than a bus station, because you have 3 floors of shops and then you get here. It's also a great place for going south, to going to Krabi, Suratani, Phuket. It will be a lot cheaper than if you book it in Khao San Road, Sukhumvit or Silom or around there. We just arrived at what is gonna be our next home for the 2 days. I took a taxi for 100 baht to bring us here from the center of the city. I came here, the rooms are 200, 250 in the high season, but I rented this one with a nice terrace on the river, 400 baht with fan. It's okay. My wife, she's very scared of snakes, but she's always able to find a snake. Me, I'm looking a lot for snakes, never I can see a snake, so there's a little snake there. Let's go check it out. And after seeing the little snake, let's go for a ride with the motorbike. So we're here at the River Kwai Bridge and let's go walk on it.